Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a member area on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have. So right now, go ahead and hover your mouse over the site you want to edit, and then click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these sections, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. So go ahead and click on Edit Site, and after that, you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the Wix website editor. Just wait for it to load. And then once loaded, this is how it would look like. So once you're here, just go to the left side of your screen. Here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize and design your site. Right here, you're going to find the option to add element, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, business media, CMS, and marketing and SEO. So right now, go ahead and click on pages and menu, and then you can either go to site menu, sign up and login, and so on. So I'm going to go to site menu, and then I'm going to add a new page. Click on add page, and then right now I'm going to add a blank page. After that, after the page is added, right now I'm gonna name it members only, and then click on done. Right now, the page is added. So right now, just click on these three dots, go ahead and click on settings, and then here you're gonna find permissions, give it a click, and then click on site members, and then here you can choose the members you want to add. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.